A very good morning to all of you. Today we'll continue with medurinum. Yes, in last lecture we have discussed about the mentals of medurinum. Let us discuss characteristic of medurinum in this video. Now, appetite of this patient is very important as they have ravenous hunger. They can eat immediately after eating again. They are hungry all the time, like Sena, Lycopodium and Soranum. We have also seen this in Soranum. They get up in midnight and they need something to eat. Okay, so here also you can find ravenous hunger immediately after eating. Great desire for liquor. Alcohol, as I told you, desire for alcohol is seen in every nosote. It's common for all nosotes. Okay, so alcohol, salt, sweets, all acidic food and unripened food like oranges, very important, oranges and green fruit. Okay, they have great aversion for slimy foods. They don't like slimy food, beans or peas or eggplants. Excessive thirst is present in medurinum. Even dreams of drinking water. Okay, perspiration, offensive odor from body. They are bathed with cold perspiration which ameliorates. Means not only this feature is present in perspiration, in fact all the discharges of medurinum are bad smelling, they are offensive, they are profuse, the discharges are acrid. But in perspiration, important is they are paired with cold perspiration. Perspiration is profuse, but it ameliorates. Yes. Now, urine, they pass again profuse quantity of urine, high colored urine, bad smelling, but a very important remedy for nocturnal enuresis if there is a history of suppressed gonorrhea. Very important remedy for rectocele, and that's why the patient can pass a stool by leaning far back. There is oozing of moisture from anus, fetid odor of fish. Very important remedy for recurrent diarrhea in children. Okay, these patients are really very hot patients. There's air hunger is present in this patient. He wants open air, wants to be fanned. Now, there is trembling throughout the body, which is subjective, not objective. Trembling throughout the body, great prostration and nervousness with restlessness. So, last video we have seen that mentally they are very restless. Yes, very hurried, very restless. Here also the same thing. They are physically also very restless, especially when it comes to legs and feet. Yes, they move them continuously, fistula feeling. Very important remedy for female pelvic disorders and as well as male sexual organs. Whatever may be the disease, it's a very important remedy for chronic pelvic disorders. The menstrual history of this medurinum females, the menses are very profuse, very dark, clotted and offensive. Stains are difficult to wash out, very important. This is also seen in MACA. Breast, especially during the menses, the breast is cold as ice to touch, especially the nipples, and whole body is warm. Okay. They urinate frequently at that time. During menses, they urinate frequently. There could be acne on face during menses, sexual desire after menses. As we all know that this medicine is a wonderful remedy for high sexual desire. So it increases after menses. Dysmenorrhea, very important remedy for colic, being a psychotic medicine. Intense menstrual colic with drawing up of knees, bearing down labor-like pain. So there is labor-like pain so intense. Mispress feet against the support. Now leukorrhea again is thin acrid excoriating fishy. So as I told you that all the discharges are profuse, they are acrid, they are bad smelling. Same is seen in leukorrhea. Intense pruritus of labia and vagina, and it is aggravated by thinking of it. So it's again a very important feature of this remedy that complaints are increased when thinking of it. Okay, so complaints increased when thinking of them, also seen in oxalic acid. Now you can see that this acridity and this bad smelling maybe because of UTI, or so there is some pathological disorder. It's not physiological leukorrhea. Okay. Again, very important remedy for metrorrhagia, especially adclimatic, profuse for weeks with malignant disease of uterus. So for women with chronic pelvic disorder, drawing in ovaries, worse left side, psychotic sterility, psychotic warts on genitals, we can use it everywhere. Male sexual organs, so if it's whether it's urethritis, if it's impotency, if there is prostatitis, enlarged and painful prostate with frequent urging, painful urination, very important remedy. So extreme sexual behavior, which we have already discussed in mentals. Aggravation very peculiar, from daylight to sunset. Again, it's a feature of psychotic miasm. Yes, so from daylight to sunset, they love evening. Yes, when thinking of them, the complaints increases. When heat increases, all the complaints. Then amelioration in evening. They love evening. They're very cheerful. They love going out, watching TV, and going to nightclubs, evening clubs. They love doing this thing. They are night-loving people or evening-loving people. At the seashore, lying on abdomen, again very important characteristic of this remedy. They feel better by lying on abdomen. Damp weather. Now let us discuss some clinical features of this remedy where we can use it clinically. Migraine, a wonderful remedy for migraine, especially from jarring of cars or hard work. Burning pain, heaviness, and they draw their head backward. Again, sensation of tightness and constriction, which is a feature of psychotic miasm. So it's found in medullarium also, tightness and constriction. Psychotic coryza, so whatever may be the cause, yes, maybe because of chronic rhinitis or sinusitis, especially postnasal discharge or posterior nares, they are obstructed. Wonderful remedy for snuffles of children, intense itching in nose. Again, a very important remedy for asthma, yes, asthma from childhood also. As I told you, there is constriction and tightness is a very important characteristic of psychotic miasm, and it is seen in medullarium also. So there is choking caused by weakness or spasms of epiglottis, constriction of throat muscles. The patients can inhale, but they cannot exhale. Very important. The constriction of throat muscles, they can inhale but cannot exhale. Also seen in Sanvibus. And better by lying on face and protruding tongue. So this posture is very important. Genopectoral position of sleeping. Very important remedy for renal colic. Intense pain in ureter with sensation of passing calculus. Severe pain in renal region, which is relieved by profuse urination. So backache relieved by profuse urination is also seen in lycopodium. Cough is dry, incessant cough, deep and hollow. Okay. So for any kind of chronic cough which is dry, yes, continuous, or very deep and hollow cough, we can use this remedy, and generally aggravated at night from sweets and by lying down. Again, very important, patient feels better by lying on stomach. So difficult to raise, they are small, green, difficult to raise, albuminous, earthy. So chronic cough, we can use this in chronic cough. Now any kind of rheumatic heart diseases, yes, heart diseases at a young age, maybe in early 40s, or if there is any history of heart diseases at a young age, then also we can think of this remedy. And rheumatic heart diseases, very important, extremities, yes, wonderful remedy for chronic rheumatism after suppressed gonorrhea. So maybe because of gonorrhea there can be chronic rheumatism, and it's generally seen that after gonorrhea there is a side effect of gonorrhea, maybe, or maltreated gonorrhea. There is generally rheumatism, yes. So very important remedy for chronic rheumatism. Rheumatism means any kind of bone or muscle affection could be there, yes. So painful stiffness of every joint of body. Now again you can see the deformity of joints, large puffy knuckles, yes, in this picture also. So again very important remedy for RA, rheumatoid arthritis. Intense restlessness and fidgety legs and feet. Yes, they keep on moving their legs. They cannot sleep at night. So restless. They keep on moving their legs. And ankles turn easily while walking. Swelling of ankles, edema, again feature of psychotic miasm. Sensitive foot soles. Foot, they are hot feet. They want to uncover them. So restlessness of rustrox and burning of sulfur, both are present in medullarium, both features, restlessness and heat. Okay, thank you very much.